Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings to all of us. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya. Greetings of virtue. First of all, let us be grateful to God Almighty for His blessings, so we can gather here today in good health. Today, I feel truly honored to stand before you to talk about something that is very close to our identity as a nation, our culture. Indonesia is a land of diversity with thousands of islands, languages, traditions, and arts that reflect our rich heritage. It is this diversity that unites us and makes our nation unique in the eyes of the world. Ladies and gentlemen whom I respect, the Minister of Culture, Mr. Fadil Zon once said, "Appreciation of foreign culture is fine, but don't get possessed." Indonesia is a country rich in culture, from Sabang to Merauke, from Miangas to Rote Island. Our nation has thousands of regional languages, customs, dances, to a variety of clothing and culinary specialties. All of these are identities that distinguish our nation from other nations. However, in the midst of globalization and technological development, many of our culture are being eroded. The younger generation prefers foreign culture over their own. Traditional dances, folk games, and even regional languages are slowly being abandoned. Nowadays, foreign cultures such as K-pop, anime, Western movies, and foreign languages are more popular among young people. Topics about foreign cultures have also become commonplace in daily conversation. In fact, data from the Ministry of Education and Culture shows that there are already 11 regional languages that are extinct, with Maluku being the region that has lost the most regional languages. If this continues, it is not impossible that we will lose our national identity. Ladies and gentlemen, I have experienced the challenges of preserving culture. When I was in junior high school, I wanted to learn traditional dance. However, my parents forbade it on the grounds that it was not important, a waste of time, and even considered violating religious norms. Imagine, the desire to love our own culture is sometimes not supported. As we all know, Indonesia is a country rich with diverse cultures and beliefs, which we should take care of and preserve. Therefore, cultural preservation is our responsibility. There are several steps that we can take, among others. The first, learn and love local culture. The younger generation needs to be encouraged to recognize local languages, traditional arts, folk games, and the philosophy of customs. Schools can include more relevant local content so that students are accustomed to interacting with their own culture. The second, revive traditions in the community. Hold cultural festivals, art exhibitions, traditional dance and music competition in school and communities, encouraging the celebration of traditional holidays as a form of respect for ancestral heritage. The third, utilize technology as a medium for cultural promotion. Social media can be used as a platform to introduce dance, music, culinary, and regional languages. The fourth, increase the role of family in society. Parents are expected to support their children to learn local culture instead of forbidding them. Community and public figures also need to be role models by maintaining traditions and cultural values. And the last, support from the government and educational institutions. The government should continue to provide space and facilities for the development of regional arts. Scholarships and awards can be given to young people who excel in the field of culture, so that they are increasingly motivated to preserve the nation's heritage. From all these efforts, there is one important thing that we must remember. Culture will only live if we are willing to appreciate and practice its values in our daily lives. Preserving culture is not just about watching performances or showing off traditional clothing, but also maintaining the values of mutual cooperation, courtesy, and local wisdom that characterize our nation. In closing, let us recall the quote from the opening. Appreciation of foreign culture is fine, but don't get possessed. We can be open to foreign cultures, but never forget our own. Indonesian culture is our identity, heritage, and pride. If we don't preserve it, who will? If we don't act now, we will lose it all. That's all I can say, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.